Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Asomex 2.5 Tablet. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Emcure Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Asomex 2.5 Tablet. Uses. Asomex 2.5 Tablet is used for multiple heart and blood pressure-related conditions. It helps treat hypertension, angina, or heart-related chest pain, irregular heartbeats, and also helps prevent heart attacks and strokes. It may also be used in some cases of hypertensive emergencies and anal fissures. Benefits. In the prevention of heart attack, Asomex 2.5 Tablet lowers blood pressure and makes it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body, reducing the risk of a heart attack. In the treatment of hypertension, it relaxes the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily, which helps reduce the risk of future heart, brain, and kidney problems. In the prevention of stroke, this medicine keeps your blood pressure under control and reduces the risk of future strokes by improving circulation and easing the workload on your heart. Side effects. Like all medicines, Asomex 2.5 Tablet may cause some side effects. The common ones include ankle swelling, dizziness, fatigue, flushing, headache, nausea, abdominal pain, and sleepiness. Less common side effects can include constipation, vomiting, changes in bowel habits, rash, or gastrointestinal problems. If any of these persist or become severe, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Asomex 2.5 Tablet exactly as advised by your doctor. Swallow it whole with water. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time every day to maintain consistent blood levels. How it works. Asomex 2.5 Tablet belongs to a class of medicines called calcium channel blockers. It works by relaxing the blood vessels, reducing the pressure inside them, and improving blood flow. This helps lower blood pressure, reduce strain on the heart, and prevent chest pain and heart attacks. It also improves oxygen supply throughout the body, keeping the heart healthier.